Hey folks, here in Willacy County, the northwestern corner of the county, your windows are rattling. There's been an awful lot of thunder and lightning there the last hour, and the cell's not moving any. We've added a couple little more showers to it, but take a look at this thing. There's still a lot of lightning. Lightning count went down, but now it's going to come back up a little bit in the last few minutes, and that whole area under a flood advisory until 5:30, basically along and west of, a little bit west of I-69E. It doesn't include the highway, but there's some pretty good rain on the highway right now, but the heaviest stuff just west of 69E and right along and north of 186, really that northwestern corner from Raymondville. Raining a little bit downtown, but the heavy stuff out on the west side of town, and then all the way down Highway 186. There's LaSar, there's 490, here's FM 493 to give you an idea, and it's been going for a while. So a lot of rocking and rolling in that area this last hour or so, and the storm not moving much, just kind of staying put in that one spot for more than the last hour. So here's what it's done rainfall-wise. Doppler estimates close to 3 inches of rain right in that little corner of the county out there. So mostly out in ranch lands, but that whole area, this whole all the way over to the highway, getting a lot of thunder and lightning at 186. Certainly a little slippery right now and might be worth holding off if you have plans to drive across there in the next hour or so until this storm fades away. Most of the rest of the valley has been mainly dry today. Some stuff in Willacy County, a couple of showers in Cameron County, but that's really been about it. Now, Future Track says everything else goes away tonight. That cell disappears. So does everything else. But during the daytime tomorrow, scattered showers, even a thunder shower or two, begin to show up in the coastal counties, perhaps first thing in the morning, and then during the daytime, they kind of hang out. We still see stuff around during the afternoon, even during the early evening, and finally by 10 or 11 o'clock, all of it moves out of here. But we've got a pretty decent chance for some showers in the area tomorrow, about a 20% probability. Then it goes up to 40 for Wednesday and Thursday as the tropical moisture, little disturbance, all kind of work together to give us a pretty good chance of some rain. These are the current temperatures. Edinburgh's 84. Raymondville, I'm sure, has dropped from that since the rain has started. 91 Harlingen or Brownsville, 90 in Port Isabel. Overnight tonight, readings should bottom out in the 70s. Every place but the beach about 82. And then tomorrow, we're right back up in the 90s again. Pretty close to normal for this time of year. The beach cooler as always at about 87 degrees. Our high temperatures the next 3 days. Our normal is now down to 83, or our 30-year average. We'll be a little above that, 93 rather. 94 tomorrow, 93 Wednesday, and then 92 on Thursday. Nowhere near the records. A little bit of a disturbance, a little trough, an inverted trough in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico is going to be drifting westward over the next couple of days, and that's when it's going to increase our rain chances for probably Wednesday into Thursday. There you see that, just a little indention in the flow, and that just pushes westward into Wednesday and Thursday, keeping our rain chance with us. It's not a huge rain chance, but the possibility is there through the next several days, and we don't see that breaking anytime soon. In the meantime, let's look at the tropics and look at all this stuff. In the Pacific, 2 systems likely developing. Nothing in the Gulf right now to develop. This system that's going to go right through the Bahamas, but doesn't have a very good chance of doing anything. The water's still chilly. A lot of cold water was pulled up because of Dorian. Gabrielle still taking off into the North Atlantic. These 2 systems, a 20 and 30% chance of development. A little shear out here, so it's going to take some time. Good thing is they're not as likely to develop as they were last week because of that shear really kicking in. So for us for tonight, partly cloudy, that spotty evening thunderstorm, mainly Willacy County, 77 for your low, and then tomorrow back up to 94. Spotty storms around the area, southeast winds 10 to 20. Again, your high temperature tomorrow, 94. Your First Warn 5 AccuWeather the forecast for the next 7 days. We kind of trend down a little bit for the second half of the week because of the increased rain chance, and then next week the rain chance tapers off a little. We keep temperatures in the mid-90s. Nighttime lows stay in the 70s. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather the forecast.